Hey folks, this is Stacy, and I'm Kevin, and this is Coda. If you watched our last video, you saw that we put an adjustable base in our camper for our mattress, which was totally freaking awesome. And now, we really felt like we needed to have a different mattress, so we ordered a purple mattress. The cool thing is it actually comes in a purple cylindrical tube. However, don't let that tube fool you. It is still very heavy and takes a little bit of wrangling to get around. Once out of the purple tube, there are several layers of shrink wrap around the mattress itself. Purple actually provides a tool to cut through this material so that you can actually unsheath the mattress. Do be careful though, because there is a pointed end on that and you can snag the mattress if you're not careful. Once all the shrink wrap is released, the mattress actually lays out into place and starts to inflate back into its normal shape rather quickly. At this point, you can remove the rest of the packaging and put the mattress in its place where it's going to stay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We had our first night in our purple mattress. And typically, a mattress, number one, is going to take some time to kind of adjust. And number two, it takes time to get used to it. Especially for me, because I can get all in the feels and it doesn't feel right, blah, blah, blah. But the cool thing about the purple mattress, and this is not an ad for the purple mattress because we get no anything for this. This is just to share with you our thoughts and in case you're looking for something. But the cool thing is that you get 100 days to try it out, which is one of the big reasons that we decided to go with that. Mostly because I have so many feels about new mattresses or things like that that I can think immediately it's not good.
Yeah, and she'll have to get used to a mattress where I will enjoy a mattress more right away and then maybe not so much later. So, but I had a great night's sleep last night, slept through the night. And one thing about the purple mattress is the way it's designed. When you lay flat, it's pretty firm. But if you have something that's like sticking out, it absorbs it real easy. So I'll give you an idea. If you have a wallet in your back pocket and you lay down on the bed, you don't really feel the wallet. It actually kind of absorbs it in that spot. So it's really kind of a unique mattress.
I thought it was very comfortable. Very different from what I'm used to because I initially always want to go for the gushy. But I don't know, when I say the gushy, I'm talking about the memory foam. But I don't know if that's what's best for me because this doesn't feel quite as gushy, but it actually feels like it totally fits my body. And that it just, it gives support in all the right spots, and I don't even know what the spots are. It just felt really great. You can see I woke up happy.
Yeah.
So I give it a 10 out of 10.
But you talk about gushy, when you walk on it or crawl on it with your knees like sink way down in it, and then when you lay down it like firms out. It's really interesting.
It's super comfortable. Combine the purple mattress with the adjustable bed, which is another video that we did.
Yeah.
And it is, I can't believe this is in our camper. So for more videos like this, this is not really a DIY, but rather a sharing something we found that we really like. So for more videos like this, you can click on our playlist and go to any one of our channels.
If you found value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel.
As always, try some new things, explore, do things yourself. That allows you to be free.
Be free. See you
In the next video.